Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here with Erica from Artist Till Death, and we're going to do some fun acrylic pouring. This is something she's been practicing for a while getting down. We're gonna get it. Last time I was in Texas, we did a dual pour.
We did.
We're gonna do that again.
All right.
And it's gonna be funsies. So fill your cup up about halfway. Pick the different colors. I suggest you either stick to warm colors or cool colors.
Okay.
Will be easiest. So I do have yellow and black. What are you thinking? Warm or cool? And I got orange.
Whichever is opposite of what you're gonna roll with. That way we can have like a warm side or cool side. Or should we do it all the same temperature?
Okay, how about all the same temperature? I think we should do opposites.
Okay.
So maybe you do those three and I'll do these. I already put white in my cup. That's okay. That's okay.
So this is already paint that you've pre-mixed.
Yeah. This is pre-mixed with Floetrol and water.
Do you have a formula, or you just know it so well at this point that it's?
I generally mix basically 2/3 Floetrol to 1/3 paint, and then I will add water to consistency.
Math.
Yeah, and that depends. The consistency is always the same. How much water you add will depend on what paint you're using.
Okay, that makes sense.
Because some paints are really thick and some are really thin, so you can't say an exact formula of how much water you need to add every time. Sometimes you don't even need any water, to be honest. So
way back in the day when I was studying acrylic pours, there were some people that said that you should pour from higher. Is that an actual thing, or is that like?
I mean, I did a pour from a ladder once, but no. That will blend your paints even more. That can help cell production because it can create extra air bubbles, which can help you get cells.
So cells come from air bubbles. I thought it was
It's one of the
weight.
reasons.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's mostly densities. But you can shake the crap out of your paint or mix it a lot, and then the air bubbles there will help.
Thievery.
I know.
Should I put another color in there, or
Yeah,
stick with blue?
maybe a
and
little
purple?
red?
You
Maybe?
think?
Well, because red goes with purple and blue.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. And then I'm ready whenever you are.
I think I'm not full enough.
No, you need a little bit more. One more white.
Probably.
Yeah, so the colors are all different densities, of course. White is very dense, which is why when you see like a flip cup, people generally put it on the bottom, because then when you flip it, it's going to go through all the other colors and create something theoretically cool.
That's the coolest thing I've ever made with acrylic. right in there, right now.
Okay. What if we do a kiss?
Okay.
Infinity? No, that can't. That's too difficult to do two-person, I don't think.
Listen, I'm a passenger on this train.
Kiss.
So.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a kiss pour. So you're gonna hold this, and we're gonna pour them at the same time.
Okay.
And put the streams together, like in Ghostbusters, where you don't want to cross the streams. We do, but the streams together like that. Yeah. Cool beans.
So your
Somehow
little comedy side is awesome.
I was like, wait, in Ghostbusters, they don't want to cross the streams.
It's like Ghostbusters, except for
For the opposite?
It's the same, but totally different.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. You flew here, so I gotta take it home.
This will fit in my suitcase. Don't even play.
And then, yeah, we'll just tilt it.
Swirl it a boot.
Yeah. Since this is a long canvas, I'm gonna kind of go this way and this way. And then we'll go towards the corners a bit. You can also, I'm gonna bring it back this way a little. You can also kind of help it just like you do with resin. You just don't, you wanna be careful not to mix any parts that you don't wanna mess up, you know. But you do that, and then that will help flow towards those areas, because liquid flows towards liquid.
Grease the pan, y'all. Grease the pan.
Yeah.
I didn't get. Oh my gosh. You were You're a quicker greaser.
I know. I'm much more sloppy than you, it seems.
No.
I'm just excited.
You're just, you know what you're doing, so you can be more reckless. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm trying to be more deliberate, I guess.
Oh, yours is so pretty. Those colors.
I think we just made a galaxy fireball.
Whatever we made, it's friggin' awesome. That's all I can say.
I made a belly button.
Yay.
Can't say belly button without smiling.
There we go.
Say it.
Belly button.
Belly button.
Belly button.
Unless you're just being deliberate.
I think we more laugh at you.
What do you think about that, Bronson? Say belly button and I bet you smile.
He's smiling
Belly button.
before belly
He's
button.
always smiling. I should bring this back
That
a
looks
little.
so awesome.
I know, right? Yeah, so there's no, like, you don't have to stop tilting just because you reached all your spots, you know. You can go any directions you want. And there you go. What do you think, Erica? Success?
100%.
Much success.
Now you
If I were to try it at home, it would have turned. Remember this color that you made when
Yeah.
you're like, that's the color
The
I always
brown.
end up with.
I want
Well, it's the paint consistency. So after this video, we'll do that again.
Okay.
We'll go over that. But
I get secrets.
yeah. All right, guys. See you next time. At least on my channel. If you're on Erica's channel, you can keep watching.